guys, for today's video I thought I would start a new series called a mini makeover where I show you guys how you can decorate smaller areas in your space. So this would be perfect for an entryway or a smaller area in your bedroom you wanted to make over, or this would make a really cute like cozy corner somewhere in your apartment or house. So for this I just started by hanging these globes. I purchased these from Home Goods a while back, but I know they still have them. These hooks that I got are from Amazon and they were super easy to just screw right into my ceiling, so I just did 3 so I could hang all 3 of these up, and they do a great job at holding these. You can look at the certain specifications on how much weight you need your hooks to hold. I think this would also look really great with a hanging planter as well, but I decided to go with the globes just because I simply already had them for a while. The next step is to add this mirror. I showed it in a video prior. It's from the Project 62 collection at Target. I absolutely love their mirrors because they come with a hanging template, so you can use this to make sure you're hanging it up straight. So that is all I did. I simply attached it to the wall, and this mirror is very unique because it has a little ledge to it and then the little trim detailing. So I added just a candle and this old perfume bottle that I love to use to just decorate, and a faux palm leaf. You can find these at your local craft store. I wanted to keep the mirror decorations very minimal and simple, so then I moved onto the floor and I just added some layered rugs. So these are smaller rugs. The left one is from Target and the one on the right is just a faux fur rug you can pick up at Ikea very affordably. So then we are adding this bench, and I did track this bench down. It is from a 2017 Ikea collection. However, some of the Ikeas still have them, so you can check online. And then I'm just adding this faux plant that I kind of made from just a glass container and some palm leaves I got from the craft store. That is a hack if you are trying to save money. It is so much cheaper to just put that together as opposed to buying one of those faux plants. This is a little stool that I found for $4 in the Ikea sale section. I'm adding another Urban Outfitters pillow just to make it look really cozy, and both of those are actually from Urban Outfitters and I got them both on sale. Lastly, I just went in with some decor pieces to really spice it up and add the finishing touches. So I have this little crystal and a coaster, this little marbled tray, and a magazine, and that is pretty much all I did to add to this space. I absolutely love the way this looks, and again, it's a mini makeover, so you can put this together in about 15 minutes. You'd be shocked by how easy this was to put together, and I just put the finishing touches with stuff that I already had to make it even more affordable. So if you love these mini makeovers, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I will try and link as much of this stuff as I can find down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!